Load a file. Generate automatic supports. Print wizard. Continue. Running homing cycle. Please wait. Yeah, not so much. Alright, let's try canceling that. Hey, look. Okay. There. Program crashed. So we'll start the program up again. Alright. Let's open something simpler. There. There are some simple rings. Print wizard there. Continue. Oh, look at that. Unexpected response. So how about just setup? Connect to controller, run home cycle. I don't know what this means. At and build platform removed. You can seriously damage the printer if not. What is at and build platform removed? Another wonderful, complete failure of the Solus to absolutely print anything.